Here's the Firestone Air Chief radio. Here's the cabinet. It's been really nicely refinished by its owner, and he brought in the cabinet to us so we could install the speaker. He found this field coil speaker at a thrift shop, and we put heat shrink tubing on the field coil leads, put new wiring going to it. And then we installed the speaker transformer down here in the cabinet. We ran all new wiring into the speaker plug here. We'll kind of bind up this wiring here, make it look a little neater. And then today we set up the preset buttons. I redid the dial cord here. So the dial cord has all been redone. This is the manual tuning button here.
Qualified. They have no business.
Did a little bit of alignment on it. Used the
get caught up in all these meaningless
we used the alignment generator to generate an RF signal. So I got it tuned up so I can get all the stations now.
In 2008 represents a rare opportunity to buy gold, which recently topped up.
So I got the presets set up, so they're all set up for a station.
Not that we're the official DVD. Call now toll free 888-55.
Take a look at the front here. Almost ready to get it all put back together. Just need to repair the wiring on the shortwave antenna wire and hook up the loop antenna, and it'll be all ready to